Work, 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 work. You see me have you work, 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 work. You see me do me dirt, 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 dirt.
Okay, what's up, y'all? It's Shira from the Werkin Code, and today I'm going to be cleaning after having COVID. So I got diagnosed with COVID a couple days before Christmas, and so now I finally got a negative test today, and I'm just showing you how I clean and disinfect my bathroom. I already cleaned my bedroom, and that is atrocious, okay? That is literally atrocious. Like, I wouldn't even want to show y'all what that bedroom looked like, but I've already cleaned it, so I'm just showing y'all my cleaning process, and to see if y'all clean like me, or, you know, just to show y'all how I clean. So these are just some of the things that I be using in my daily life. So I'm just showing y'all a couple things. The main thing to me is that I disinfect. Those are my Oral-B toothpicks. I have to use them things every day. They got black charcoal in them. Y'all, keep a tray on your bathroom counter. You got to have the tray. The tray is what's going to help you stay organized. You got to have a tray. You can't just have a whole bunch of different products and stuff laying all out. You got to have a tray. So we got 2 trays in the bathroom. One for me, one for mama's. But I'm just showing you some of the things on my tray, like my jewelry, my facial products, my Junior Girls Club lashes, a couple things like that. So here, I'm about to spray it with my microban. It's a disinfectant. Disinfectant means it kills the germs. So I was just reading the back to see how long it has to stay on before you can wipe it off, and it says 60 seconds. When you disinfect and stuff, please make sure you leave the disinfectant on long enough. If you're not leaving it on long enough, it's no point. Then right here, I'm wiping the mirror down. I would normally use window cleaner, but guess what? It was downstairs, so guess what I used? Alcohol. Window just as clean, okay? Well, mirror. So now I'm wiping off my tray, and I line it with a paper towel because my tray is wooden. Those are my boric acid suppositories. Those are some things I use to keep that vaginal health good. My Deneen Defined for my face. And that's my retainer holder for me to clean my teeth every day. So I'm just disinfecting that as well because it can get really yucky with spit and stuff. Now I'm just wiping off all of my products one by one. Those are my Junior Girls Club lashes, my tongue scraper. Just wiping everything off. Make sure you wipe the stuff good, y'all. You have to wipe these bottles down. That's my oil rinse. I love that stuff for my gums. It is the best. Wipe the cap on your toothpaste, please. Don't be having all that toothpaste just coming out the edge. Those are my pimple poppers and tooth pickers. I use that to get food and stuff stuck out of my teeth and any type of bumps or blackheads. That's my sea salt, because sometimes I gargle with sea salt and warm water. I try to do that at least once a week for my gums. And that's some type of gum stuff that's like good for your immune system that you're supposed to spray in your mouth. I really forget, honestly. So now I'm filling up my spray bottle, and I'm doing it with hot water and Fabuloso. If you can see, that bottle of Fabuloso said it's a disinfectant and it kills 99.9% of germs. I only like things that kill germs when I'm like cleaning for real. If I'm just straightening up throughout the week or whatever, just want to wipe something down, like say somebody coming over real quick and I just want to wipe stuff down, I don't necessarily use disinfectant because I'm trying to be fast, so I might just spray something and then wipe it. But for the most part, I'm going to use disinfectant, which is going to kill the germs, which have to stay on for a whole 60 seconds. So now I'm just spraying the wall down with that hot water and Fabuloso. My bathroom doesn't have a window, so it gets these steam lines from the water just like building up, and it look like it kind of drip all over the place. Please wipe them baseboards, y'all. You see how I wipe them baseboards? You got to get to the bottom. So now I'm just wiping down my countertop again because this is used. The bathroom is like a high volume place. You know, we use the bathroom multiple times a day. So I'm wiping down the countertop and getting that little crack. Now here comes the pink stuff. The pink stuff is something I found off of TikTok. Shout out to TikTok and Jet Set Farmhouse. That stuff, it will clean anything. So I'm using that inside the sink. I'm using the pink stuff. And then also I'm using it in my bathtub, which I will show you in a little bit. That is my oil burner, and I have a candle I put in there to make it smell good. It lasts a little bit longer than a traditional smelling candle. So now I'm going to show y'all me cleaning the toilet and the shower. So yeah, the toilet, I just spray it down with a disinfectant with the Fabuloso, and I let it sit, and that's some toilet bowl cleaner right there. Please make sure you let that toilet bowl cleaner sit in that toilet, Okay? Please let it sit in that toilet. Yes, you got to clean the inside of your toilet, but you also have to clean the bottom of your toilet, y'all. If you don't clean the bottom and the back of your toilet, you're dirty. You're nasty. You're filthy. You're low down. You have to clean the bottom of the toilet. Okay, you got to clean in between the cracks in there. You got to clean it back. That's a bidet on the side of my toilet. I love my bidet. If you don't know what a bidet is, it kind of shoots water up to your private area so you can feel the extra little barrier of cleansing. So that's the bidet. I use paper towels to wipe stuff down because they're disposable. I don't like that using a towel, and I just feel like you just spreading germs from one part of the toilet to the next. So I use paper towels. So I'm cleaning the back of the toilet and the base. I'm trying to not block it and show y'all it, but you have to get down there and clean the back of that toilet, y'all. You have to, because if you need to throw up, if something fall back there, nobody wants to reach their hand back there, and it's just nasty and dirty. You got to get down there and clean. You have to. So now I'm using the pink stuff and I'm spraying out my tub. Now I had already sprayed my tub with the pink stuff earlier and I let it set and I had took a nap and rested. So I'm just respraying it again. As you see, the bottom of my tub is a mess, but it's really not dirt. My tub needs to be reglazed. My apartment is old as hell. It was built in 1969, I believe. So it needs to be reglazed. So the bottom of it just looks really gray. And the glaze is like the little shiny layer that's like in the tubs. So this is me cleaning the trash can. You have to clean out your trash can. I'm filling it with hot water and Fabuloso. And I also spray some more Fabuloso on the wall. And I'm wiping it down with a microfiber towel. So I fill the trash with the Fabuloso and the hot water. And I let it set for a second. And while I let it sit the whole time while I'm cleaning out the tub. So then I use this little handy dandy tub scrubber, which is so much better than getting on your hands and knees, honey. And it gets the job done, honey. Okay, it's so much better than getting on your knees and cleaning out the bathtub. But you cannot let your tub get dirty. It will work if you let your tub get dirty, but please don't let your tub get dirty. Make it easy on yourself. So I'm just using my tub scrubber. And I have an extension so you can make it shorter or longer depending on how tall you are. And I use it to wipe the walls and all. Afterwards, the only thing I had to do was use a little bit of a towel to wipe the soap holder because it had like a little bit of the hard water residue. But I have hard water in my shower and house, so, you know, I get them hard water stains everywhere. The pink stuff got all the stains off really, really good. And I wiped the whole inside and outside of my tub. Then I cut on the shower and let everything rinse off. I'm pouring out the inside of the trash can, wiping that out, and I'm going to put that down there. This is just the ending product. Y'all see, it's shiny. The floor is nice and clean. I mopped it with some hot water and Fabuloso. So let me know what y'all think of my COVID cleaning.
Work. You see me, have you work. You see me do me dirt.